Today we're going to make a vertical scrolling prototype in Figma. So you want to start with the frame size that you're going to use. So this is an iPhone Pro 16 Max. You're going to make a copy of that frame. So hold down Option and Shift. Then I'm going to use the type tool to just paste in some content. I forgot to make my frame longer. I'll just make the text longer. Then I'm going to fix the frame. So select the frame. Cool. So now we have a frame that is larger than our original frame. I'm going to turn off the fill. I'm going to rename this. I'm going to drag this over to home. It should snap in place. And then a couple things. So I can't see below this. So I'm going to choose home and I'm going to uncheck the clip content. Now I can see my content and I can modify it how I want. And then I'm going to jump over to prototype. So with this frame selected, I'm going to go to prototype. And for scroll behavior, I'm going to say vertically scroll this. And I'm going to add a flow starting point just so it knows where to start. I'm going to unclick that frame. And in my main prototype settings, I'm going to choose Photoshop 16 Pro Max. Then I'm going to click on that flow again. And I'm going to type in Shift Space to open that preview. And there is our scrolling vertical mobile prototype. Thank you.